I'm just trying to open a new video now, and you can see it lags here, and there is some noise coming from the fan, and it is still waiting. It cannot open that site, and the noise increases.
Let's bring out the cast. She's Brianna Torrance. Please welcome Gwendolyn Christie, everybody.
And you can see the voice has come, but it's still at 0, and there is a 10-minute lag, 10-second lag. It starts from 10 seconds after that.